Well, today I've got something really special to share with you guys. And although it looks like a normal 400, the reason why I say it's special is because this is a one owner, 100% original 1976 KH400. Right down to all the fuel lines, every nut and bolt is exactly how it came from factory. This is a one owner bike that was ridden only a mere 8,700 miles. The bike was then parked in 1985 and has been in storage ever since. Now, although it does show its age, it is actually in really great shape. It was stored pretty well, you know, considering it was up in Ottawa, Ontario, where the winters are long and the summers are humid. So considering the little amount of rust is actually quite impressive compared to a lot of other bikes you find in barns and sheds up in this way. Even the paint, if you get up close, it's a little dusty and dirty, but it still has a lot of the original shine left. I know this color often turns into a bit of an ugly brown, but it still has a lot of beautiful metallic left. And this is exactly how the bike came to me. I did not clean it, nothing. So it's pretty nice. Original grips. Still got all the ties on it. Even the seat. Look at how good that seat is. I mean, it's just unreal. And the aluminum, despite having some oxidization on there, it's still, look how reflective it still is. No road rash. Under the seat too, something special. Again, just look at that. Original tool kit with the original band. Look how good under the seat is. Follow that along. Here. Original handbook. Now, unfortunately, the original owner, Ike, he passed away earlier this year, and the bike actually came to us via his son up in Ottawa. Now, his son was telling us how much Ike loved this bike. He used to give him and his wife rides with it. And always took care of it every winter, stored it properly, do all the proper maintenance to the bike to make sure that it was ready to go for the next riding season. And a lot of that really shows with how clean this bike really is. You know, considering it was in storage for the last 35 years and how well it survived. So, in honor of Ike, the original owner of this bike, I'm going to name this project Ike's Bike. If you're watching out there somewhere, Ike, this one's for you. I hope you're happy. I promise we'll take real good care of your bike. So you guys may notice that Ike's bike is looking a little bit cleaner than before. That's because I spent around 4 hours scrubbing this thing, trying to clean it up as much as I can, just to see what I'm dealing with. And so far I'm quite happy with the results. Today's job is buffing out the paint, which as you can see actually isn't too bad. Just a lot of light scratches. I'm no body guy, to be honest. I've never really done that before. So I'm just going to use the Mother's 3-stage wax kit and some terry cloth paper towels and just see how it comes out. I already did a little section here in the gas tank. So this side here I haven't buffed, and you can start to see the transition there. And that was just a quick scrub with paper towels, and the results are pretty good. So again, I'm just going to go over the whole bike. I'm going to pull the seat. I'm going to pull the grab rail so I can get around the tail section and the base of the tank a little bit better. And we'll go from there. This is after about 1 hour with the first stage of the Mother's wax kit.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Missing someone with all your heart. Missing someone with heart. How much you miss her, and you deserve. From the start, and you did right
Man, what an awesome time I had working on this bike. It was so much fun, and I was so honored for the opportunity to work on Ike's bike and take it from what it was and bring it back to its former glory, to the beautiful machine that you see here before you today. This project really resonated with my heart, so Ike, wherever you are looking down at us, I really hope you're happy with what I did with it. And again, I'm honored to say that your bike will once again be cruising the streets, spreading that two-stroke love. So everybody, thanks again for tuning in. It really means a lot. And as always, please ride safe.